have joined the team, and I'm excited because I've joined the team that's working on a program called Fix Johannesburg. Because we are going to fix Johannesburg. This is our beautiful city. We can't let it just go down the drain like that. Now, I'm going to talk to the issue that's very close to my heart. The issue of illegal foreigners is going to be the thing of the past, because you are going to give me that mandate. You are going to vote for Action SA, and we're going to clean our city. Now, these squatter camps, yes, we need to formalize them. But when we formalize these squatter camps, we're going to clean them. So it's a show ukuthi ama-foreigner awekho. Because abanye abantu, they are able to build for themselves. Mangabe land ikhona. But the government is failing ukucabanga at that level. So today's Action is saying, we're going to say to you, if there is land and you are able to build on that land, you'll have the land for yourself. I think we know Dr. Nasipi Moya. She's making wonders in Tshwane. And she has led by example. So we're going to bring that here in Jozi. We're going to clean up Jozi. But if we don't do the right thing, I'm still asking for your vote. I'm still saying, give us the mandate. Let us show you what we are capable of. And if we don't do the right thing, don't wait for 32 years. Sikipeni there and there. Because 32 years is a long time. It's another generation to come. But as I conclude, I just want to quickly remind you of my priorities that I'm bringing to the city of Joburg, to making sure that we're going to better your life. The portfolio that I'm assigned to, I've accepted it because I've been doing it. For Operation Dabula, you would have seen me, Gisema Rosettenville, everywhere, trying to reclaim these hijacked properties back to the city. But all that fell into deaf ears. You know, if the mayor had listened to the plan that I had, it's a very same plan that Ntata Mashaba had introduced to us back then. But because of Alalel, it's still not happening. But give us that power, we'll show you. Now, the first thing, what we'll do is that we're going to fix and we're going to recover and fix what is broken. These are these hijacked properties. We'll fix them, work with private sector, make sure that we build affordable accommodation for our people. We're going to build accommodation for our people close to working places and where there's opportunities, so that you don't have to travel all the way to work. We're going to cut your distance. And we're also going to list warehousing allocation. Most of you here are sitting with RDP applications since 1996. Sizoyiqala kwa 1996 siyehlise till date. The corruption within the department, the system, we will deal with that. But also we're going to transform Ama Hostel into a safe and dignified family unit. That I promise them. But lastly, we're going to protect our housing assets from corruption. Our officials, allegedly we know, RDP houses. They're selling these RDP houses. There is a foreign national who owns more than 500 RDP houses. When you are sitting here, you don't even own one. And you've applied since 1996. That will come to an end. The vandalism in these properties is going to stop. But I must say to you that illegal foreigners will be a no-no in our city. We're going to clean our city. So let us fix what's broken. Let us build near workplaces, and let's protect our housing assets. But please, lend us your vote. Give us your mandate. Give us the mandate, and vote for Action SA. But I'm going to thank you, Ntata Mashaba, for giving me this opportunity and actually entrusting me with this important portfolio. This is the